Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is match play day here at the Masters and getting ready to bowl. Chris just won his first match. I'm up next and then all the winners will bowl after that, but we're going to focus on trying to win our first match and pick some balls here. I did drill a DNA and a Wolverine, for one for the fresh, one for later on the block. You can figure that out, but yeah, if you're enjoying the Masters content so far, hit that subscribe button and leave a like for the algorithm.
After 2 games, we are down 97. Darren fished for a little ball reaction. Hasn't been comfortable for the first 2 games, but you know, got into something a little different. Struck the first ball this game, so hopefully he can put a big one out there and put a little squeeze on him.
I threw the wrong ball. So good this match is going for me. Down 100, I need every single shot possible, and I throw the wrong ball.
It's like, why that rip off is so hard?
I saw it go down the lane of the man. It got dull all of a sudden.
I really hope so. Tonight will not.
M28.
I hope it works for you.
I don't want to touch this ever again.
Yeah. Sometimes bowling balls just don't work for you. And if you don't trust in them, you can't keep throwing. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Thanks, Darren.
This guy comes to all the stops. He was in the title video, so appreciate it.
Yeah.
Number 19.
Say again?
Number 19. Ball giveaway. Well, it wasn't the start we were looking for, but there was just a lot of things from last night, just making the wrong moves, getting too far left too fast, not throwing the right balls. Just a combination of a lot of things. I mean, I just keep tricking myself, like keeping left of where everyone else is at, anticipating getting ahead of the move, and it's just putting me in a bad spot. You know, getting into the flatness of the pattern. You know, I get it steep, doesn't hook. I get it up the lane, it has no chance. And you know, in 46 feet, if you don't have hold left, you're probably not playing the lanes right. So just gonna try to do a better job of doing that, and yeah, hopefully we get some luck coming our way. pathetic. I literally gave it. I wasted 7 frames, panicking, not knowing, no clear picture, 0 deep breaths. Threw it terrible, missed every way I'm not supposed to miss with whatever I decided to throw. It was an uphill battle the whole time. Just not putting yourself in a good position to succeed, and I got what I deserved. You know, I've been really good for the last 2 games. I 210 my last 2 shots, and I threw them in the exact one spot that I can't throw it. A little quicker to the right, it strikes. A little left of that, strikes. I threw one bad one, got it right quick, left the 9-pin, and it's on me. you know, I had a chance. It was in my hands when it really should have been. And it's, you know, it's always a learning process, but I'm very disappointed in myself because this is just not, you just can't play like this out here. And you're not going to succeed if you do stupid stuff and waste time. You know, you can't waste a whole game. Well, it's the best in the world. I don't care. You make the top 64 out here, you're pretty good. And there's just no reason for me to do what I'm doing. So I got to get to the root of it because I'm pretty sick of what I'm doing because the results are bad because I'm just not being as good as I can be. So, I had one bright spot, I had a good block, felt like a breakthrough moment. I'm going to take that as a positive and move forward with it, but we got to figure this out because the last match, the entire last match, and the first game of this match is just not it.